6 Tips for Healthy Skin, Sample and Natural Skincare, by Dr. Shabana Shakeel. 1. Take a more water. Skin is the largest organ of the body, so we should take a proper care to maintain a beauty of your skin. Water is a most natural way to get that glowing, lighten and healthy skin. Good amount of the water maintain your pH balance of your skin. When you drinking water, it flush out the toxins in your body, especially those hormone that are harmful your body. Water keep your body hydrate and maintain your skin hydrated. 2. Eat green veggies. More vitamin E and all important ingredient present in the green veggies that maintain your body fit and health. Vitamin E protects skin cell from free radial that damage your skin. Leafy vegetables are very powerful antioxidant. 3. Take a less sugar. We should take a less sugar because sugar damage your skin. Because high sugar intake may play a role in the aging process, accelerating the development of wrinkles and fine line. 4. Use hot water and lemon in morning. If you drink a hot water with a lemon juice as a daily morning time as a laxation to help to prevent a constipation. It also improve a digestive system, so we recommended drink a hot water with empty stomach. 5. Used a green tea. Green tea are very benefit of to boost of skin health. Basically green tea reduce a dandruff. It act as a antioxidant. It is a very effective for fighting a premature aging. Those peoples that have a oily skin, they should drink a green tea in morning time. Because green tea treat a oily skin, it prevent a from UV rays. Breath in fresh air. We should a breathing in a morning at fresh air helps the airway of your lungs to dilate and improve the cleanser action of the lungs. It improve the temperature which improve your skin elastic and get rid of lines and wrinkles.